Hi, my name is John. I'm with Milwaukee Tool, and I'm demonstrating our M12 FUEL DA sanders. We have two sanders. We have our material removal sander and then our detail sander. These are for body work. And then I have it attached to our M18 Packout Hepavac system. The vacuum is remote operated, so I'm going to hit the vac link here, turn on the vacuum. The sander is on. And with the 2.5 compact battery, you can do 3 to 5 door panels per battery charge. So what we recommend is the 2.5 high output. That's going to give you the best combination of performance and lightweight. If you want more runtime, you can also put our 5 amp hour battery on here. That's going to double your runtime. So the sander, the bare tool, retails for about $329. The vacuum as a bare tool is around $700. We do offer a kit with a pair of batteries as well.